Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to exchange Bitcoin, ETH, USDT, or pretty much any other crypto into Monero, XMR. And the good thing is you don't need some special setup for this. If you're already using MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Phantom, or something along those lines, then you're already most of the way there. So the reason this topic keeps coming up is pretty simple. Someone has crypto sitting in their wallet, decides they want to move into XMR, and then suddenly realizes Monero works a little differently than most of the assets they're used to dealing with. So they start searching around. One guide says to install another wallet, another guide points to a different platform, then there's talk of wallet synchronization and extra software, and before long, a simple swap starts looking way more complicated than it should be. That's why I wanted to show this. A few weeks back, I needed some XMR myself, and I ended up going through the same search process. I checked different options, compared a few services, spent some time reading through feedback, and eventually found a solution that turned out to be much simpler than I expected. Since then, I've used it multiple times without any issues, so I figured I'd just show the entire process from start to finish.
So stick around until the end because there are a couple of details worth paying attention to. All right, let's get started. I'll leave the official link in the pinned comment below this video because fake websites are everywhere in crypto these days, and all it takes is one typo in the address bar or one sponsored link that looks legitimate, and you can end up on a completely different website. So definitely be careful with that and always double check where you're sending your assets. Okay, over here, I'm selecting the crypto I want to exchange. It supports assets across a lot of different networks, so I don't have to waste time doing additional conversions before coming here. I can simply use the crypto I already have available in my wallet. So then I enter the amount, and right away the estimate updates, showing approximately how much XMR I'm expected to receive based on the current rate. Also, if we scroll down for a second, there's also a section with live Monero exchange rates against different cryptocurrencies. Nothing complicated there. It's just a quick way to see how different assets are currently being valued against XMR. All right, now I press connect. Here I choose the network I want to use, and after that I select the wallet that holds the assets I'm exchanging.
Okay, everything looks fine so far. Now I tap swap, and a confirmation window shows up with all the transaction details. This is usually the part where I slow down for a second and quickly verify everything. Wallet address, amount, estimated output, just a quick final check before confirming. Okay, just a few minutes have passed and the XMR has already arrived. And honestly, that's pretty much the whole process. No complicated setup, no bouncing between multiple services, no spending half an hour figuring out where to send assets next. The crypto gets exchanged and the Monero shows up in my destination wallet. So hope this walkthrough helped clear things up and gave you a better idea of how the entire process works behind the scenes instead of just following random instructions step by step. And if there's anything you'd like me to cover in more detail, feel free to leave a comment below. I've been using this approach myself for the past several weeks, and it's already saved me quite a bit of time whenever I needed to move between different crypto assets quickly.